Welcome back, aviators. Hope you've had a fantastic summer, and I'm happy to be doing another review video for you guys. In this video, I'm reviewing the new Ekster Parliament 3.0 wallet. Ekster has been kind enough to send me their new wallets to review, so thank you to Lucas and the Ekster team. As you guys know, I love RFID wallets, so I'm super excited to do this review, but as always, it's going to be my full unbiased opinion, and everything I talk about will be linked in the show notes below. Let's start with the unboxing. So here it is. The Ekster Parliament 3.0 comes in this really nice textured box that right away shows their attention to detail. Inside, you find the wallet and basic company information. The Parliament comes in this beautiful rich brown leather, and the leather is super soft. On the front you have the Ekster logo and the carefully stitched leather. On the back is the sleeve for the Bluetooth tracker, which I'll talk about in a little bit. The dimensions are 0.4 inches thick, 4.1 inches tall, and 2.5 inches wide. And it weighs only 92 grams. Lastly, in the center is the RFID compartment. If you guys aren't familiar with RFID technology, it stands for Radio Frequency Identification. All debit and credit cards have this technology by now, and you will see this symbol on your card. It's what you use to pay with tap, and it stores your personal information. So thieves with RFID scanners can steal your personal information from up to 1 meter away without you ever even knowing. Wallets with RFID protection shield your cards from this and keep your personal information safe. So the Parliament wallet can store 5 cards in the RFID sleeve, or only 4 cards with raised lettering, like your credit or debit cards. To get the cards out, the Ekster has a built-in spring-loaded mechanism that pushes the cards out when you need them. The rubber band is where you can store your cash, and there are 2 extra unprotected card sleeves inside the wallet. Ekster also sent me the Senate card holder. It comes in the same nice box, and inside you have the wallet and extra rubber band with the logo on it. The Senate is a lighter, smaller brother to the Parliament wallet. On the front you have a nice looking clean face. On the back you have the sleeve for the Bluetooth tracker and another Ekster logo. The Senate measures 0.3 inches thick, 4.1 inches tall, and 2.3 inches wide. And it weighs only 61 grams. This Senate offers the same RFID protection, and you can fit the same amount of cards into the RFID sleeve, 5 without raised letters and 4 with raised letters, and you have the same mechanism to eject the cards. The center RFID compartment can also be slid off and separated from its back. However, you don't have extra room for cards, as the rubber band is used for cash, but of course you can use your creativity and put a few cards under the rubber band. Lastly, and what I was most excited to review, is the Bluetooth tracker. The tracker is made by Chipolo, and it uses its own community of users to help you find your wallet if it's lost. The tracker measures 0.15 inches thick, 2.7 inches wide, and 3.9 inches tall. And it weighs just 15 grams. It uses solar power to charge, and with only 2 to 3 hours of charging, it has enough battery for 2 to 3 months. You can connect it via the Chipolo app, and it makes this fun sound when you first pair it. After that, you can use the app to find your wallet, or if you lose it and someone else finds it, they can scan the code on the back and you will get a notification that it's been found. You can also use the tracker to take selfies through the Chipolo app, which I found pretty creative. Both wallets have a dedicated slot in the back where the tracker lives, and because of its slim size, it doesn't add too much thickness to either wallet. Because life isn't all sunshine and rainbows, there are a few things I wish Ekster could improve on. When it comes to the Parliament, I love the storage space, but with the wallet full, it doesn't quite stay closed. This might not be a big deal for some, but for me, I like things to be secure and not flopping around. It would be awesome if they had a snap that would keep everything secure, especially if I chose to bring more than the 2 cards in the sleeves provided. That's why I really liked the Senate card holder when I first got my hands on it. It's compact and feels really good in your hand, but now I'm missing those 2 extra card slots. So it seems like a compromise has to be made. Either have the extra storage space and deal with the flap, or enjoy the super slim Senate and be limited on the cards you can carry. In conclusion, what do I think of this wallet? I really like it, and it's a great stylish alternative to my other RFID wallet. I believe RFID protection is a must these days, and Ekster doesn't compromise on style or quality. I love the quality of the leather and the engineering that went into its design, and Ekster even offers matching phone cases. For the price point of $79 US, it's awesome, and I think it would make a great gift for the pilot in your life. So let me know what you guys think of the new Ekster Parliament 3.0 wallet and tracker in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, try the best tasting coffee on the go, and I'll see you in the next video.